No. He's fainted. What should we do?
Can we move him?
I don't think so. He's big. Hello?
Come on.
Wake up.
Speak to us.
Wake up. I think he's dead.
Stop that.
I knew he wasn't.
I'm all right. I believe I've broken my leg. I tripped on one of those silly wires. Who are you?
Your rescue party.
Do you think you could move if we helped you?
I could try.
Oh! Look, I'll stay with him. You go and get help. Go on! Quickly! Hello again. What's your name?
Jim.
Mine's Bobby.
Weren't there more of you just now?
Yes, Peter and Phil, my brother and sister. They've gone to get someone to carry you out.
Funny names. Old boys.
Yes. Mine's Roberta, really. I wish I was a boy.
I think you're all right as you are.